How's it going, guys? Before we proceed, if you love this CGI product animation, you can support the channel by downloading it either from my Gumroad or from my Blender Market account. The link is below in the description section. The entire activities and props you can see here are all computer graphics image, aka CGI. With that being said, it is important to know that before you can call yourself an environment artist, you should be able to effortlessly create a similar or even, if not, something better. Stay with me to the end while I show you how to switch cameras while executing a project without wasting much of your time. In this particular project, we made use of two different cameras stationed at the position of choice. To make camera 1 active, you add to markers. Immediately after you've done that, you go back to that same option and you click on bind to markers. Immediately after you do that, you've been able to successfully make camera 1 active, and you can do whatever you like. And immediately after you are done with whichever behavioral pattern you have programmed the entire mesh or the camera to do, then you repeat the same procedure for the second camera. And what you do is you add to marker, and immediately after you are done adding it to marker, you go back to that same option and you click on bind to markers. There you have it. Now the second camera is active. And if you also want to learn more, or you are interested in joining our WhatsApp community where we stand the chance to interact with other enthusiasts like yourself, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. The link to the WhatsApp group is below. Good luck.